Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise is due to Allah, and blessings and salutations and peace be upon His messenger, servant and Prophet Mahmud, and upon his family members and companions, and whoever follows his guidance until the day of resurrection. My dear brothers and sisters, today I'm going to talk about how to empower Iman, how to increase Iman. Iman increases and decreases. Sometimes we feel very high and sometimes we feel very low and down. It is nature of our mind, and there is very deep connection between our mind and Iman. So Iman also goes to high and sometimes it goes to down also. And Iman should be our first priority and first concern. That's why we need to know how to empower Iman and how to increase Iman. It is very, very important to understand. How to empower Iman, there is various type of tips. There is a different way to empower Iman. All step by step, inshallah, I will share with you all those tips and ways. Today I'm going to share with you one of the most easiest tip and one of the most simple way to empower Iman. There is two steps to do that. First of all, you should pause your thought. Yes, you should pause your thought and check out what is going on in your mind. If you check out what is going on in your mind, then you will get your mind is busy with thinking about your future life, or it is busy with thinking about your past, or it is busy about thinking how to you solve your problems or how to fulfill your all needs and expectations. So all those thoughts are related with materialistic world. So at first you need to pause your thought and disconnect your thought from all these distracted thought, materialistic thought. Then replace into your mind another thought, and that is strong intention to understand the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, strong intention. You should replace into your mind strong intention to understand presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because there is a very profound hadith. Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Innamal a'malu bin niyat. Every action based on intention. So intention is very important. So you should bring into your mind, you should replace strong intention to understand presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's the first step. The second step is you should be closer to the nature and reflect upon nature and try to understand beauty of nature and secret of life. When you reflect upon nature and try to understand the beauty of nature and reality of life and secret of life, then this nature will give you very, very profound message. And there is someone who is only one Almighty who has designed this nature in such a sophisticated way. So the more you become closer to the nature, the more you will get natural spiritual vibration, which will be cause of empowering your Iman, will be cause of increasing your Iman. Thank you very much.